let's make a cake today, and we got 3 drops of coconut flavoring. We got 4 eggs. We got 1 cup of water, 1/4 cup of oil. We got 3 drops of red food coloring. It's a white cake with 3 drops of food coloring, and this is what it turns out to be right here. Now, you at least do it 75 times, and it'll do like this by hand, or you can do it with a mixer, but I'd rather do it by hand. And this is the cake mix that we're using. Plain white cake. Now we got it flavored with coconut. Okay, we'll be right back with you when we get it ready to be decorated.